Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you my office space. So come on, come join me. Hi, I'm Amanda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do that now so you never miss a video from me. And basically what I do is I help creative business owners to get their creative genius out into the world so they can make a living doing what they love. So I'm going to share around my office now. So this is the view when I first walk in. I have some crafty stuff to the left, my video corner, my desk, and then over to the right corner I have my photo station and I have my bookshelves and then this little cute table right here. And basically when I am working with consulting clients, I have this little shelving area right here that sits behind me. I'll show you my webcam in just a minute here. So this is where my webcam is, and then this is what you see behind me. And then I have this cute little sign. It says keep it simple. And then you can see I have some little magazines down on the bottom of the shelf here with some little boxes where I store things. I have some knitting supplies and some little clips and things there. Inside this bucket I have some things for photos, more knitting stuff. I have lots of knitting stuff, but I don't really knit. And then I have this calendar that I intended to use this year, but I haven't really made much use of it except to look at the date. And then this is my crafty stuff. So I have paints and pencils and markers and those pens that I really love. My little painting smock. And then here I have color pencils. I have some canvases and some sketchbooks and things like that right here. And then over here in this little bucket, I have some oil pastels. I have more paints and some little canvases there too. And then in here, I intend to put some more paints inside there later on. This is some stuff right here that I'm still trying to take care of, figure out where it needs to go. I have just recently moved, so I'm trying to find a home for all this stuff. I have this filing cabinet, and in this top drawer, I have some photo stuff and some paper, and then the other drawers are just kind of random miscellaneous stuff. And then here, this is my master's degree and my little sketchbooks and books that I just didn't have anywhere to put. This is all my photo stuff. So we have this backpack right here that I use when I'm traveling, and it's really a great thing. This is a balloon that I really want to use in a photo at some point. And then I have some like tripods and light stands and an umbrella to use for photos, and then some reflectors, some whiteboards back in behind that I use sometimes with photos, boards down here at the bottom that I use for photos. I have my to-do-in little signs and my ta-da sign that I usually put post-it notes on when I can get to it, and then some stuff that I want to hang up in my office, my tripod and my light. These are the things I use when I'm doing photos. Over here I have my little tripod for my phone, if you can see it. Let me move it over just a little bit. Then as you walk to the right, here are some more knitting things or crocheted things that somebody crocheted and I took photos of for them. And then I have over here my photo prop station where I take photos when I'm trying to do stuff for my classes and for my Instagram or for my blog. I have some backgrounds that I like to test out, so that's where all that stuff kind of lives. Over here I have my light that I use for to light up my bookshelf here. So here are my books. I have lots of books. Some that are branding, more branding books, some on writing here and vlogging. I have some magazines, more magazines, and then I have some that are creativity oriented. I have some that are productivity oriented. Over here I have a photo of when I went to San Francisco to Creative Live and I was in the audience there. And there I am right there. And then let's see, what else do I have here? I'm missing something right here because I was using it for a prop. So more books, and then here's my little shelf that I have, or my little table that I have, and I have a picture of my sister-in-law and myself. I have the little Eiffel Tower because I love Paris, some little decorations on the wall, and then here's my desk. My microphone that I use when I am chatting with consulting clients or making screencast videos for my membership site. I have my lovely chair that I got from Home Goods, which is nice and comfy and pretty. I keep my planner here with some water, of course. And then this is a little cart that I just got from IKEA that I use to hold some crafty, artsy supplies so that if I have time at the end of the day, I can do some artsy stuff. So that's it. This is the view from the other angle. So my bookshelf, that A on the top I made myself. And the little bookshelf from the other angle. Just going to show you the whole room kind of again, and hopefully you won't get seasick or whatever, motion sickness from my moving around. I need to get better at moving this camera. So this is kind of what my office looks like behind the scenes. My new little cart there. Got Facebook open. So there you go. So that's it. That's the space that I have here in East Pennsylvania where I work. What does your space look like? Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know where you work from. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already so you get more videos from me. And until next time, don't forget to stay creative.